In this video, we're going to review some of the functionalities of the cart screen in the Payflex Lite. Here you can see I'm already in a cart and I've got my bacon steak rang in. Now let's say I wanted to ring in more items. First, I can go ahead and click on this button right here with the plus sign inside of the box. And by doing so, it'll return me to my menu screen where I can order additional items. Now, if I want to return back to my cart, all I need to do is tap on my cart right here. Now let's say I rang something in and it was a mistake. I'm not really getting the bread pudding. Well, to get rid of it, all I need to do is swipe to the left on the item, and there you can see I can click the delete button to remove it. You can also see from the screen I can tap the note button in the event that I want a note to be associated with the item as it gets sent back to the kitchen. So for this example, let's tap delete to make it go away. Also, let's say the customer wanted to see a printout of the order before they paid for it. Well, you can see here in the top middle, there's a print symbol. By tapping this, it'll allow me to print the receipt. Additionally, let's say there's something I wanted to change with the item, whether it be discount, comp, void, change price. To do so, I'm going to tap the pencil button here on the top right, and then tap any item or items that I want to change. So in this example, let's highlight the bacon steak and now tap on the check mark. With that done, you can see I've got a handful of different options: discount, comp, change price, void, delete, and set as tax exempt. In this example, let's perform a discount. From here, I'm going to do $5 off and then hit apply. Now that I've done that, my item here has been discounted by $5. And the last thing we'll talk about is what if I need to split this check? Well, to do so, let's go ahead and add another item. Go into salads, select my iceberg wedge, grab my ranch dressing, and add. Now that I've got two items in my cart, let's go ahead and split these. To do so, I'm going to tap on this blue button here on the top right with two arrows. And then I need to tap the check I want to split. In this example, it's going to be check 1. You can see now that I've tapped on check 1, the background becomes pink. Now it's time to move the item to a new check. Let's tap on the iceberg wedge, and there you can see it's been highlighted. Lastly, let's tap our split check button here on the top left. Now I can either spread this out evenly across my checks, or I can put on a new check. Let's put it on a new check. Now that I've done that, I've got check 1 and I've got check 2. If I close this window, you can see I've got check 1 and I've got check 2. Now I'm ready to process the transaction by tapping the pay button. And that's utilizing the cart screen in the Payflex Lite.